Hey guys, today I want to talk about your unique style as a designer and how much it actually is needed in the design world. Very often you guys hear me talk about the realism around becoming a designer, that it's harder than one thinks and that, you're going to have to put in a lot of effort. But on the flip side of that, you bring something so important and so unique that I also want to make sure that you are hearing that what you have is special. So why do I know this? Because every time a Design Suite member comes in and shows us their work and shows us what they're doing, it is so exciting to me because I can see that they are bringing something to the table that I haven't seen before. And I think that is powerful. And when you get really good at bringing that unique style or that unique, icon, whatever it is that you're creating, I think that is important. And someone out there in one of the shops that they want to buy from you from is looking for that unique style. So I talk about this in boot camp because I think it's really important that one of the things that I am always looking for in new designers is, can they bring something different? Can they bring something unique? And how badly do they want it? Because it is, with all the realistic things that come along with being a designer, there are also all of these blessings and benefits: a flexible lifestyle, the ability to make money while you sleep, so that whole residual or passive income idea, being your true creative self. Sometimes people ask me what are your hobbies? Well, I have no hobbies. I work. But it's because I design all day and I'm sublimating and cutting SVG files and designing fabric and quilting. That is my job every day. And so I feel so lucky and blessed to have that because my hobby is my job. And it allows me absolute alignment with who I am. And I see that with my designers as well. When you start making money doing the thing that makes you feel creative and fulfilled, you become aligned every day in what you should be doing. So I think that's really powerful. And if you are someone who has been like, I don't know if I have anything to contribute, or I'm not sure if I'm creative enough, I'm here to tell you, you are. That there is a uniqueness in you, whether it's we have someone in our program who loves dogs and coffee, or someone who loves adult, K-pop stuff. Like whatever it is you want to contribute, that niche is so important. And someone else out there, if you like it, someone else out there likes it and would like to purchase it. And you're saving them a lot of time. I know because I personally, and many of you personally, buy things to help you craft or make something or throw a party. And it's just easier when you can purchase it from someone else. So if you are someone who wants to be the designer behind all of those designs, I really want to emphasize to you that there is a place for you here. Your uniqueness is special and important, and you just need to express it. That's it. You need to express it. And if you're someone who doesn't know how to get started and would like to learn more, all you have to do is come to one of my design boot camps. I would love to see you at one. If you go to carinagardnercourses.com/design bootcamp, you can learn more there about what we do. It's an inexpensive way to get started and figure out what you actually need to get started. I talk about residual income. I talk about becoming an amazing producer and some of the easy steps that help us move forward in our design businesses. So happy to have you here. I hope you've been enjoying the podcast. And I know that we're getting late into October, and what I'm hoping is that you're enjoying this season. I know that I am, my family is. It's just so fun. And I hope that you're just enjoying the season and starting to figure out ways to become even more creative in it.
Hey, did you know that you can visit me at makeanddesign.com to learn more about this podcast and join my VIP group for weekly freebies? I can't wait to see you there.